Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into Routine Station. In this video, we are going to talk about XRP, the native token of Ripple, XRP Ledger actually. Uh, it's a while that we didn't talk about this project with a great community. Last time, it was almost 4 months ago, we talked about the Ripple. Is it possible to see $20 or not? Because when you go on social media, you can find a lot of price prediction. 10x from now on, it means $24 something. Then is it possible to see the Ripple at $100 proof? Because many people, they believe it's possible. Then at the end of video, we are going to see the price prediction to see $100, is it possible or no? Okay, now let's focus on the current state of XRP. XRP, currently it is at the rank of 4 after Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and now it's XRP. The market cap currently it is $141.8 billion. Then we're talking about one of the big, or yeah, it's a big cap like the other first three, with only 58% of the fully diluted valuation. We can see around 58% of the token in circulation. Then still there will be a huge inflation for this crypto. As you know, usually on this channel we have a look on the market cap, situation of the market cap, shape of the market cap, compare it with the price market cap is not that much different because of the this circulating supply. You can find here inflation of the XRP from the last all-time high was was not last all-time high here, but it was like around in 2018. We can see it is about 50% inflation, which is, to be honest, is not bad, honestly, in compared to the so many new projects. When we have a look on this huge history back to 2013, this inflation is really acceptable, but still we will face with around 40, almost 2-3% inflation. Then about the dominance of this crypto, it has a big dominance, around 5%, we can see at the time of recording, but it was a time that Ripple had around 20, almost 5% dominance of entire of the cryptoverse, which is really massive, to be honest. Okay, where we are now. Is it really good time to invest on XRP when we have a huge perspective? We want to go further, not for the next 2-3 months, just to have it for the long view. Then it's better to use the bull market support band to see where we are in respect to the bull market support band and where we are with respect to the 4 years moving average, because the long-term investor usually buy those assets with a great fundamental, like the one here we have XRP, with a huge difference for this 4 years MA. You can see here the amount of time this asset was undervalued, here was undervalued, and then now it is, honestly, it's overvalued. Of course, it has the potential to go up. We will have a look, but I'm not expecting to see around 10x, $24 or $100. Okay, now we are here. Recently, we had a pullback to the bull market support band. Again, we pump, and now we are going to touch, and where is the bound? Are around $2.12 to $2.25, around this area. Then we can see after this huge rally here, it's getting cooler and cooler, and now the short-term bubble risk is around 1 to 1.25. Usually what I personally do, of course, this is not the financial advice, I have a look on those assets with the great fundamental to DCA on that project when they go under 1. When they go above 1, I try to consider to use this opportunity for the DCA out from that market. Okay, let's have a look on this crypto. We have a huge history, and let's have a look how is the situation in the previous let's say post-halving year. Now we are in 2025. We can compare it to the previous bull run. It was around 2021. This is the performance of the 2021 bull run and 2017 bull run. We can see in both cases We had a huge return on investment. 2017 was extremely massive. 357 XROI. 2021 only was 3.8 XROI, and in 2025, which is currently, it's following the same trend as the previous two post-halving year rally. It has about only 1.18. Okay, in compared to these two cycles, we can see the huge diminished return on investment, which is of course it's when we see these assets over the time, it's the nature of those assets and it's logical. Okay, the other point I usually consider, you can find this chart also here in year-to-date performance metric. I always consider the lowest price point, not only focusing on the highest price point, because I want to see, is it this asset really has the ability to save to my US value, USD dollar value or not. I can put it on a linear to see it. Of course, it's like this, but it's better to have it on a logarithmic scale. What we can find on this asset, it's appreciating the US dollar until this 2018, and then again it's start to gearing up, which is honestly, to be honest, is good. What it means the person who entered in 2024 still was not able to buy the lower price than the previous year's low, which is really good. Now, where we are. In terms of the drawdown for this crypto, what we can see currently, we have minus 28% down from the all-time high, and the all-time high was around this area. Okay, that's why it's not a huge return on investment for this project. Then we have around 39% upside to the all-time high, and yeah, with the model with the inflation around 34, then we can expect around 35 to 40% return on investment if this crypto can manage to go as high as this all-time high. Then the other things I would like to consider when I want to have a price prediction for different crypto assets like the one, okay, 20, I mean 10x, $100, many projects they believe, many people they believe this project can have a huge return on investment. Is it possible to see it on a $200 per XRP or not? Then it's better to consider the $10,000 per XRP. Okay, we will have a look on this one. That's really huge. That's a clickbait, of course, to be honest. $7, $10, most realistic, honestly. Okay, first, I would compare it with the Ethereum, because what we can find, it's the fourth one in the market cap. Then it's better to compare it with the market cap of Ethereum or Bitcoin at the moment. With the current market cap of ETH, we can see this crypto can raise around 73% and can go as high as $4.28. With the Ethereum all-time high, we can see around $10. It means in that situation, the huge headline, the breaking news is Ripple flipped Ethereum. This will be the situation. Then in this scenario, what we can find here, okay, let's have a look on the Bitcoin pair. It's not really close to its all-time high. About the ETH pair, what we can find, it's performing honestly better than the ETH in this cycle. It has a huge rally, what we can find it here. Then around $9 is around $10, let's say, it's one of our targets, if we want to be honest. Then the next target is compare it to the Bitcoin. With the current market cap of the Bitcoin, it can go as high as $30. It has the potential of 1,100%. With the market cap of all-time high is similar, because it was like just a month ago we had an all-time high on Bitcoin. Then it can go as high as $36. But honestly, 10,000 per Ripple, I think this person also is not talking about this price for Ripple, but we can put this price prediction here. Okay, 10,000 without any inflation. Then the other one is 800, because we can see here also we sometimes time by time we have a look on the different price prediction for different project to see how high this project they can go. Is it possible to see the other project in those prices or not? Then what I can put here is around 250 and then 100, sorry, 100 and then 50 and then 25. Okay, this will be the situation for the market cap for this crypto asset. You can find it here on the market cap. Oh, that's really huge. Okay, here we can see, I can just relax entire of the chart to just have a look on these two charts and compare it to the Bitcoin all-time high, Ethereum all-time high, and XRP last cycle, I mean this cycle all-time high. Around 10,000, which is not possible in my humble opinion. The asset, it's almost close to $1 quadrillion, which is really, if I'm able to read it correctly. But just be more honest, be more realistic. Just remove this one. It's not possible in my opinion. Let's put it around $200. Okay, now it's better. We can see around under $20 trillion. We can compare it with the market cap of gold. We can compare it with the market cap of gold, around $20 trillion. Then Ripple alone will be bigger than entire of the cryptoverse and will be around market cap of the gold. Then this price, you can see here, of course, on the cover of any crypto influencer or crypto YouTuber, it's just a clickbait. Honestly, the market cap will be huge. It will be bigger than the market cap of gold. It's bigger than the market cap of Bitcoin. Then it's not possible to have this huge market cap for this crypto. Of course, there are so many things like cross-border payment in real time or interoperability, the banking, and many things. But at least in this cycle, it's not possible for Ripple to see these targets. But about 36, I think also that's a huge milestone. With the currently 30, that's also a difficult question. And with around $4 to $10, that's more realistic, honestly. We can see around $9 to $10. It's more realistic price prediction. This one, it was my thought about Ripple. I hope you like it. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to the video, and write down the next project you would like to discuss for the coming video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.